Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust touchpad sensitivity on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim Chromebook. Start by opening the control center, which you can do by clicking this icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you're going to have to open settings by clicking the gear icon right here. Scroll down to device on the sidebar, open the device section, then go to touchpad, where you can change the touchpad speed by moving this slider either to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. And you can also enable or disable the touchpad acceleration. And additionally, you can enable the reverse scrolling in this menu or disable it if you don't like it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.